Just trying this, especially with the microphone, because I don't know if I got the right cable. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Cool. I'm going to sleep.
Sit me up, bro.
And she put it upside down. Like, why do you have a
Oh my god.
She's like, why do you have a phone in your backpack?
Wow. That is so funny.
Be serious.
Alright guys, introduction of my coworkers. Introduce yourselves.
What's up, people? Sam. Sammy boy.
Carol, introduction.
You guys already know me. But okay, hi.
Hello, my name is Luis Rodriguez.
What's up guys? I got a special guest today.
Hi, my name is Lorelei. Welcome back to my YouTube.
No, this is mine. You're gonna leave the house now without a mask. Come on. Si puedo ir con una máscara. Oh shit, my mask wasn't here. Need too many things right now, and you just said first she has no mask, and then
Shut up.
the tire is a little bit low. And am I even recording? Because this is gonna be funny shit. And then we're like, let's go check if the back is open. We live in apartments, guys. We have the front and then we have the back. Sometimes it's not always open. We're about to find out. Right now we're 0 for 2. About to go 0 for 3.
Oh, it's open.
Yay! At least one. Third time's the charm. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, Lisa's been crazy in and out for a while. Yesterday we came, the line was like right here. Maybe a little bit more back. But right now we're gonna find out. Hey, not bad. Are you still good?
Looks like I'm in and out.
Looks like we're getting some in and out. Not bad. These lines get pretty ridiculous. Oh, Mustang. Man, the streets are more packed as they used to be. Look at that. Oh, now there's nothing. There was like a bunch of cars coming, but now there isn't. As soon as they said that. But yes, I think someone's watching me next door. The girl from Frozen. Anyways, where's my dog at? Layla, where'd you go? Oh, she's over there. Layla, what are you doing? I gotta cut her hair today. Got some music. Forgot my iPod though, so I'm gonna go get that to play some music. I knew there was something forgetting. Like a haircut thing. I think I've become quite a master at cutting hair. Ew. That was a spider. I got rid of it. Alright, let me look at my iPod. boy Ernie. And Jesus, I messed up there. It probably looks so dumb on camera. And the microphone is on. Today we're gonna shower this pupper. Oh, she just jumped off. We shower, throw her in the tub. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna throw her in there. But I still need to like shave her feet a little bit. And then I noticed yesterday when I was cutting her hair, I left a little bit of the mane. Like she looks like a half and half, like fluffy and then bald in the back. She looks like a lion. Looks cool, but I gotta fix it because apparently it's not cool. So let's fix that and then throw her in the shower. Nicely, we'll shower her. Should have said that. Ready. So I'm gonna put her here, try to shave her little toesies with these. Because she kinda hairy, man. My dog's kinda hairy. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm so glad to be doing a new video. Like, honestly, I have this video that I need to finish, but it doesn't make sense yet. So it doesn't look good right now. So I'm gonna do that. Sorry for the loud music, it's kind of weird. But hopefully you enjoy the loud music in the background. You know, hopefully it's kind of cool. Anyways, I'm gonna shave her hair, her little toesies, and then get back to the video and maybe, oh, after this, I have a real estate shoot, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Probably do a quick little pass. Not too much, just maybe show the house from the outside and that's it. Because you know I can't really show that much. But yeah, you know, gonna be pretty cool. Gonna take you guys with me. Should be a pretty cool house. I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the mirror that is showing the reflection that I am in frame. So cool, I am in frame. So if you guys see me look away, it's because I was trying to make sure I was in frame. So I'm gonna go do that. See you guys. Dog done. Time to do the middle part. Hey, we're not done yet. What do you think you're doing? Time for the hair blowing process, and then I'm gonna take a shower because it's really hot in here. So they should like me on camera. Do you like me on camera, Lil? You mind saying something for her? There, that's a lot. This one, yeah. It's hot and bald here, so I'm gonna go take a shower. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, snap my curl here. Oh well, let's go. Finally back home, guys. Got a good light right here. Look kind of pink and blue, but definitely fun experience shooting that house. I took some pictures. Gonna try to photo merge on Lightroom. Made a video on my phone and gimbal in 4K finally. And yeah, and also my new iPhone this week tomorrow. Pretty cool. I'm excited. See you guys later. I'm gonna edit this and then I'll make an outro later to make a whole new vlog. Because finally. Alright guys, see you guys later. Peace out.